boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device, aka the baby knockout goat, my friends. My friends, The Scoop is for your education, your information, and your entertainment only. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm not a financial advisor. My friends, I'm an author. I write these books. I put them on Amazon.com. You can get the audiobook, the paperback book, the ebook. My friends, Silver Basis for New Investors, Stripling. You can get all kinds of books out there. Junior silver mining stocks ready to explode. There are lists in here, my friends, of stocks that the giants, the billionaires, are out there buying now, but you knew of them, or you read them in the book about them months and months ago, my friends. Investing in gold today without being cheated. There are stock lists in there, my friends, that you need to have on your watch list. Investing in understanding Bitcoin, currency stocks to buy now. No wallet, no problem. My friends, marijuana today, vanadium and uranium tomorrow. Companies to get in early, hold, and grow rich, my friends. There's a prolific writer out there in this area, my friends. That's me, Silver Investing in the Silver State. My friends, in Nevada, how to invest in uranium now. There's not a lot of talk about uranium because it's not hitting yet, but it's going to be there, my friends. And there's a list of the top 10 uranium stocks in there. I want you to get that list and take a look at it, my friends. What's going on right now? Let's review what's going on right now. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you on board, my friends. Good morning to you. It's an early morning. Good afternoon, good evening, good night to you, no matter where you are in this beautiful world of ours, my friends. It was a rough week. When you look back, it was a rough week, my friends. Even though NASDAQ was up like, 1% or so for the week because of some good days at the end of the week, bad days at the beginning of the week, my friends. But is there a correction on the way here, or is that a little pullback? We're not seeing a rout right now, but there's a possibility that some things can happen. We're talking election in America. There's going to be a lot of talk. There already has been a lot of talk, and I'm sorry about this lighting going on and off, my friends. It's not dark where I am. It's a little light, but you can't really tell what's going on here. With a lot of the smoke and all that. I do have my, I'm well protected here, and I've got my mask and everything, but I just want to take a minute here, my friends. It's the Dow and S&P, down for the week. We'll see where this thing leads, my friends. There's going to be a lot of volatility up until this election. You know what's going on here. You know what's going on up in America right now. Marching again out in the street. Things are happening in America that in my lifetime they've never happened. Never had anything wild like this. But what's going on with our sectors? Let's look at the uranium sector right now. 29.90 closed or so. We're looking at drops for the last 16, 17 weeks or so. Just little baby drop steps and stuff. We were at 33, and we've just been dropped every week. We just go down a nickel, a dime, a quarter, and then we bounce up a nickel, a dime, and we're down. But for the most part, for the if you take the week in its total, we've been going down. That's what's been going on, my friends, with uranium right now. Our baby knockouts: Western Uranium and Vanadium, Denison Mines, Fission Uranium, all of which are kind of, they're kind of trading sideways to down is what they're doing. They're just trading sideways to treading water there, wait for the spot price to go up whenever it goes up. It'll go up when it's ready to go up, my friends. That's when it'll go up. Industrial metals, what's going on right now? Precious metals, what's going on right now? Silver, palladium, all that, the industrial metals, copper, palladium, platinum, all that stuff, because of the oversold, what do we have? An oversold bounce in the dollar. The dollar strengthened. That silver down. Silver was down big. This is one of the worst ones this week. Down over 14% this week. So the 22.95. It was hit. So you got silver hit. You had gold hit. Gold is it may hold on to its 100-day moving average or so, about 1864 or so. Right there, right next to its 100-day moving average. We'll see if it goes down more and bounces a little bit. We'll see if there's something come out of Washington this week. If Washington comes up with a bill that some stimulus package or something, it may give a shot in the arm to precious metals. We'll see how that goes. But right now, there is a nice little sell-off going on. Is it a buying opportunity? I was selective this week with sales and buys in the areas. Took a little profit here and there, and I added to a couple positions also, in the precious metals area, my friends. Our cryptos, our baby knockouts, Hive, blockchain technologies, and Hut 8, not doing that well. Hive is right now, it's at its 200-day moving average. We'll see if it bounces up or bounces down. Hut 8 is below its 200-day moving average right now. But the NASDAQ, the two stocks mainly on the NASDAQ, I'm talking about Riot Blockchain, it's above its 200-day, and a Marathon Patent Group also. I picked up a little bit of that, my friends, and we haven't talked about that a lot. It's another play on the NASDAQ, the Marathon Patent Group. I picked up a little at about $1.60, $1.65 or so, which was a nice little correction for it. Remember earlier this year when Bitcoin and Ethereum were going up, Marathon Patent was around $5 and some change. So we'll see at $1.65. We'll see what it does. I didn't pick up a lot. I just picked up a little, and we'll see how that goes, my friends. Also, my friend, in our cannabis trade, things are kind of uncertain. With the election and all, really, really uncertain with the cannabis trade. The MORE Act was not voted on. And that would have given some relief to the cannabis sector. That didn't happen. IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties, one of our early stocks in the cannabis a couple of years ago, we made a lot of money on because it was a teenager, and remember it went up to $140 for us, and a lot of you guys still have that money, my friends. It was a really great stock for us right now. Well, it's headed back up there now, and congratulations to you guys that got on board when it was 65, 70 or so, and you're riding it back up again. Without any legislation or anything, without any changes coming from Washington, IIPR will be a big winner, my friends, in at the end of the 2020. It'll be a big election winner. Our pick, Harvest Health and Rec, well, we needed some legislation help for that, and I don't know if it's going to happen, my friends. But at at 82 cents, and now it's what, $5.06 USD. I can't tell you to buy, sell, or hold, but that's something you'll just have to take a look at and see what's going to happen there, my friends. I don't think there was a lot of talk, the first stimulus, about getting some help for the cannabis sector. None of that's happening right now. There's no talk of any type of help for the cannabis sector. America's consumed with the next Supreme Court justice, which the court will be unbalanced, and if the president wins, he will get whatever he wants. If he wants to be a dictator of America for the next 20 years, he may have somebody in the Supreme Court that will support him. So we'll see how that goes, my friends. Only 38 days away. It's going to be here before you know it, and then a lot of this stuff will be over. The market hates uncertainty, as we all know, so these markets can go anywhere here in the next 38 days. Anything can happen, my friends. I mean, we could get a big stimulus bill and, big spending, what have you. Gold and silver could rally way up, gap up, or anything can happen during an election period, my friends. I've been around this game long enough to know that just the debate next week between these two can alter the market. Just something that the president says or something that Mr. Biden says, just in the debate on, when is it, Tuesday? That can alter the market by itself. So we got to pay attention to these events. Take your profits if you're way ahead. If you don't want to be caught up in all this volatility of an election, and you got a lot of profits, take your profits, my friend. You can't go broke taking profits. Do your thing, take your money off the table, and you You live for another day after the election, because not all these stocks are going to be going up after the election. And we may not know, we may have uncertainty even after the election. So keep your eye on your money. There's some good things happening out there. There's some companies out there that are spinning off companies. There are going to be companies that are going to make a lot of money. They're going to do exceptionally well. Take a look at them, and we'll see how that goes, my friends. Love you. God bless you. If you're not a subscriber, like I said, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you on board. Thank you guys for your support during these hectic times, and they are hectic, not only for me as an African American male in America, but for the market also. So not only I'm chasing the market, but sometimes I don't want to say the wrong thing. Okay, love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Some of the stuff you just have to laugh at. You know, I was looking at who was that? LeBron James was talking about. He was laughing. He had to laugh. It was a lady that went to prison. She got busted. We had this big scandal in America about these college kids, you know, being privileged and their parents giving money, donating money to the schools. And Lori Loughlin, I think, that's her name. She was able to select the prison that she wanted to go to. Is that amazing? Is that amazing? In America, a privileged lady was, you know, yeah, a millionaire or whatever. She gives money to different colleges or whatever, USC. She was able to select the prison that she wanted to go to. Now, if you or I was locked up, do you think I want to go to this country club? Oh, I want to go to that. I mean, it's comical. The two different justices in America. It is comedy, guys. So you just laugh at it. Don't cry or don't. It's going to be over with. Life will be better. It's a joke. It's a joke. But you know, it is what it is, guys. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Do what you have to do to make it and survive wherever you are in this wonderful world of ours, because in my area it's kind of coming apart a little bit. But you take care of yourself. Love you. God bless you.